So today, someone is coming.
Yeah, and I'm wearing a sombrero. No, don't cut my sombrero.
I'm not. Well, you can tell who it is. Well, if you know who has a sombrero.
Nightmare Bonnie. Yeah, my sombrero.
It's called a sombrero.
Sombrero.
Okay, so, guys, this is gonna be
Don't cut
my
your
first
butt,
unboxing
spring
video.
butt. I know. I'll hold the box.
Okay, I will
My
too.
sombrero.
Who cares about that? They're also from the
Just
back.
no, just I think you should rip it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold it. Wait.
Hold
So
spring.
hold it, Nightmare Bunny.
Oh my God!
Hello, senors.
Sombrero? I like your sombrero.
It's called a sombrero. What is that thing doing to you?
Oh, it's a camera and also say your name.
My name is El Chip.
El Chippy. El Chippy.
Bye.